Gavana wa Laikipia Nderitu Muriithi ni akinyiriirie bata wa mbeu njithi gwikirira kothi cia moko kuona iri na umithio munene ona gukira kothi iria ingi ikoragwo ciekirirwo.
Don't go to school because they are engaged in early marriages. And that was the accepted conventional wisdom, that they don't go to school because of early pregnancies or teenage pregnancies.
Muriithi augite ciana nyingi kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ikoragwo ikiurira thutha wa kurikia mathomo ma form 4, akiuga aingi macungagiririo kuingirania na maundu matagiriire na ni kumana na kwaga mwihoko muturire-ini.
So if we don't do things today to correct it, it will still be a problem in years to come. And therefore we must, as governments, as officers, play our role in changing those outcomes.
Applying for a job, getting a job is one thing, but then doing it well requires that you have the necessary skills, you have the necessary attitudes, you even have the necessary personality to deliver in that particular job. Otherwise, we'd have issues here and there in terms of productivity of what we can achieve as a country.
Maya mokite o riri thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Mowak Technical uhotete guthondeka ngari na iria kuringana nao ni ikinyanirie ikiro ciothe.
To build their capacity on economic empowerment and incubation of ideas would go a long way in empowering them, so that at the end of the day either they could be self-employed or they are engaged in some meaningful activities that can positively change their lives and change the lives of their communities.
Gukiri uguo ruhonge rwa TVET ni ruritio kuheanaga kothi iria iratwarana na mahinda niguo gutigirira gutire mundu watigwo na thutha na gutigirira arutwo ni marona umithio wa kothi iria marathomera.
It will not be of benefit to us spending money as a country or as a county government or as an organization supporting young people to access quality training only to be trained on obsolete technology and obsolete skills, yet the world is moving and technology is changing.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.